Hi guys, I just really felt like opening a new TN, so I'm just going to open this Japanese airport edition traveler's notebook. It's a black one and I don't have a black passport TN, so I thought that'd be cool. I'm planning to use this as a replacement for my wallet, so I'm currently just in the brown one with this is a Motem, kind of like a wallet insert, and then this is just a Muji, I think it's a dot grid, just notebook. So I just want to set this up and yeah, use it as a wallet. So I haven't opened this yet. This is just the B-side and rarities. This was all sold out in all the shops in here in Australia in this colour anyway. And I found it in Korea, I think. So just a great way to keep cards, tickets, cash, and with your notebook, sorry. I wanted this one because of this tag here. I think the other ones that they do don't have this tag. It just looks kind of the same as the Motem one, where it's just a plain. And then the zip pocket. I also got a pen holder in black. I got this from the Korean partner store as well. I actually haven't used any pen holders, so that'll be fine. And then this is also just a Traveller's Factory. You can keep your passport TN in there, and then it's just got a zip pocket. So I kind of want to use this. I don't know if I want to use this because it's so pretty. Just going to put this to start. And I might just take my old insert from here. Holder in the back. Did not feel good at all. Okay, I'll just decide what pen to put in there. I normally just use a roller ball. we go. So it's just too pretty. And because it is blank, I probably can't use it freehand for notes. So there's that, and then kind of, I don't know if it's going to fit with the pen holder actually. Oh yep, it does. Snug, but it does. And that's everything. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.